Okay, good morning, madam. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Pavitra, daughter of Chandrasekhar, 11 GK in 19F 2017. So, there are my friends in my group. So, let me start mine first. So, my topic of this is crushing value of aggregate. So aggregate with a lower crushing value show a lower crush function under load and would be given a longer service life to the road, and the crush under traffic loads would produce smaller pieces out not created with a bladder, and those would be easily displayed or loosened out, resulting in loss of surface all the layer. Due to the reason is the aggregate used in this load concentration must be strong enough to withstand crushing under loader and the traffic. Okay, what are the objectives for it? To access the strength of loose aggregates used in the placements component under generally applied load and to determine the aggregates crushing value of the given sample of the aggregates. Aggregate used crushing machine. Aggregate used to buy crushing machine, trampling road, tool, weighing machine, weighing balance, cylindrically mold, and paya.
Alright, my name is Ganeshwaran Anadaki Rajendran, and my matrix number is 11 DK 19F 2016. Okay, I'll talk about the procedure of the crash well of aggregate. So the procedure is take cost of aggregate in a pan and measure it in a 350 gram using a weighted balance. And second is arrange the sleeve in a decreasing order of their size, and place the pan at the bottom and then add weighted quantity of uh, coarse aggregate on top of the most sleeve and close the lid. And the third is place a set of the sleeve in a mechanical shaker and allow to shake for 10 minutes. And number four is collect the coarse aggregate, retain on 10 millimeters sleeve in a separate container. And the fifth procedure is note down the weight of the empty cylinder as W1, and then fill the cylinder with aggregate and retain on 10 millimeter sleeve in 3 layers. Number 6 is note down the weight of the cylinder with the aggregate W2. Number 7 is cylinder is placed in the position of on the base plate, and plunger is inserted so that the rest of the surface level uh, position. Okay, number 8 is sample is placed in a position of compressed testing machine. Number 9 is sleeve of material with 2.6 through 2.36 millimeter IS sleeve and allowed to shake for 10 minutes. Care being taken to avoid a loss of fines. Number 10 is note down the weight of the aggregate passing through 2.36 millimeter sleeve of W3. And finally, observe and result the data that we get.
Next is result, rushing value of aggregate. This is step 12, observation and result. Empty weight of the cylinder W1 in gram is 788.00. Between weight of cylinder with the aggregate open bracket W2 close bracket in gram is 3438.00, and between of aggregate passing through 2.336 millimeter sleeve open bracket W3 close bracket in gram is 990.00, and aggregate rushing value open bracket percentage close bracket equals to open bracket W3 over W2 minus W1 close bracket plus 100 is 37.36. Next, empty weight of the cylinder is 788.00. Between weight of cylinder with the aggregate is 3343.00. Between weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sleeve is 986.00 and aggregate rushing value is 38.59. Average aggregate rushing value is equal to 37.975%.
Today I am going to explain about precautions. The plunger should be placed centrally and rest directly on the aggregates. Care should be taken that it does not touch the walls of the cylinder so as to ensure that the entire load is transferred onto the aggregates. In the operation of sieving the aggregates through 2.36 mm safe and weighting, care should be taken to avoid loss of fines. The sum of weights of fractions retained and passing the sieve should not differ from the original weight of the specimen by more than 1 gram. The tamping should be done properly by gently dropping the tamping rod and not by hammering action. And the tamping should be uniform over the surface of the aggregates, taking care that the tamping rod does not strike against the walls of the mold.
The last part is conclusion. The aggregate rushing value test gives a relative measure of resistance of an aggregate to rushing under a gradually applied compressive load. Aggregate rushing value is defined as the percentage by weight of the rushed material obtained when the test aggregates are subject to a specified load under standardized conditions, and the strength of the aggregates used in road construction is expressed by numerical index. Aggregate with lower rushing value show a lower rush fraction under load and will give a longer service life to the road and hence a more economical performance. If we use weaker wool get rush under traffic load will produce smaller piece not caught with a binder, and this will be easily displayed or loosed out resulting in loss of the surface. Due to this reason, the aggregates used in road construction must be strong enough to withstand crashing under roller and traffic.